Alright, it's Angelo with Angelo's Edge again here. Got an unboxing of a Babley thermometer, non-contact infrared thermometer. Our company gave to each of us so we can take our temperatures before we go to work and stuff like that. You know, for that virus that's going around the world and stuff. So I got the box here. I actually opened it and put batteries in it and changed it to Fahrenheit. And I got my old thermometer from Drug Mart. So I'm going to do a temperature test right now. Alright, so I got my normal, I usually ride in between 95, so I got 95.9 on my mouth thermometer that I've been using for forever, for the past, I don't know, 3 months, 2 months. So like I said, let's break this out. This is supposed to be, I just realized I got a hat on, so I'm going to take my hat off to do a temp test. So it comes with, you know, actually it didn't come, it showed a spot for batteries, but it didn't come with a spot for batteries, so I added my own. And basically all I've done was I tested it. It seemed to work. I did have to, and it has like you can select for object and body. I peeled the sticker off, so right now it's measuring object temp at 74 degrees. So I'm kind of sweating. Let's see what it. So I already switched it to see the body. Let's see, I don't know. Oh, did I already take it? 91. I don't think it. All right, let me take my hat off and do a temperature scan. Let's see. I think it's quick. Nice. I don't think it's. I must not be doing it right. Trying to do this on camera. 95.9. I think. Oh, that's what the other one read. 95.9. So it works exactly like this one does. So this is the old-fashioned. This isn't even an old-fashioned one. This is like a digital one. I think it's a 3-second timer, 3-second one. Put my hat back on. Let's try another temperature. So, all right. Oh, I'm not. Yeah, I know the body temperature's low. All right, let's see. I guess it's good to have the the camera facing me, so I could. Well, let's see. All right, that took like 93. I guess as long as it's close enough, it has to be close enough. It's reading 95.9. So right what this one did. Let's try this one again. Alright, this one's reading 95.3. So they're both pretty on the close side. They both are roughly in the 95 range. This one I read the first time, it did have 95.9. So anyways. So the change, let's see. So when it came, it was at Celsius. I did read the directions a little bit. So you just go there and you press a minus button that changes it back into Celsius. Plus button turns it into Fahrenheit. So you just hit the minus Celsius plus Fahrenheit, and you just hit menu to get back. Step out of it. It does other things, but I didn't really read it. I just needed. All I need it for is to do a real spot test. Let's see. It has beeper settings. it has alarm value and a deviation value. That's what each one of these functions are. But all I cared about was function 1. That was the that's changing it from Celsius to Fahrenheit, and it came like that. So I guess this is the, I hate saying it, the new norm. Hopefully it changes, but for the past at least 2 months, every day before I go to work, I take my temperature. So, but this is I thought it was pretty cool. They give each one of us one of these because we're required to, like I said, I'm required to take my temperature before I go to work. So they kind of helped us out. They didn't have to buy that, but it's pretty cool. So, but yeah, it seems to work. But this is I'm sure it's like any other one. This is the Babley fast, precise, easy operate, both for body and object, non-contact, infrared thermometer. See, that's the key. You have to get it the right distance. It's 1 to 5 centimeters away from your forehead. It was made in Japan. Oh, that adopts a reliable sensor made in Japan. That's what I already said. Body mode and object mode available, so you switch it. Beep. Oh, it'll beep for high temperature. I thought it says automatic recall, and I thought it said automatic rectal. I'm like, what? It does rectal temperatures too. I was like, what the crap? Well, but I was like, oh, I better check my eyes. But yeah, it says auto recall, not auto rectical. So, see, a large LCD backlight, and of course Celsius and Fahrenheit readings, and of course automatic shut off. It's already shut off. So it does what the other one does, but it might be slightly quicker. The other one takes like 3 seconds to take a temperature sometimes, and this one's like almost instantaneous. So that's pretty cool. So put it back in its box, and be ready for me to take temperature tomorrow when I go to work. All right. If you like videos like this, I'm going to try to get back into knife sharpening again a little bit. I know I've been kind of going off the crease, but it just so happens what I have right now, and so I unboxed it. So like, share, and subscribe to Angelo's Edge, and I'll see you the next time.